Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some of the most elite Nerf gun hacks. Now, first gun that you want to have is your double bullet. Now, what this hack does, let me show you. And a reminder, this only works with the double breech. So you want to cock everything back. You want to load your 2 bullets. Have about 4 or 6 darts. Then cock it back up. You're ready to shoot, right? No, this is going to make it 10 times more elite. So you want to take your gun and just drop one in like that, okay? So that's simple. Just take it, take your gun, take a bullet, and just, I dropped it, so basically just push it in like that. Squish, 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 and down it goes. So now you just take your bullets, roll them in, squish, 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 and there you go. Now let me see what the firing rate of this thing is. And there you go, there's 4 bullets because I accidentally slammed it down. So you want to take your Nerf gun, aim it at whatever you're aiming at, and there goes 3 bullets. And I'm going to pull some out, and I'm going to reload this. I have the phone in one of my hands, so let me put that down for you in a minute. Okay, it's cocked and loaded. Now, all you gotta do is, and there you go. There's one Nerf gun hack, and right there, it's pretty awesome. So everybody should own a hot shock pistol. Think that part down at the end is used for aiming. No, just watch this. I'm about to put it in, so yeah, green, bam, now there you go. You have a Nerf pistol with another bullet up top, so okay, bam, you want to cock it, unload, take out the bullet, we'll take cover while you're doing this. It's going to take a hot 10 seconds to do this. Just back in, and just, there you go, there's a Nerf hack. So you know how people love their Nerf vintage pistols, right? So this thing's loaded right now. So anyway, you're gonna take your Nerf bullet and you're gonna shove it up this part of your Nerf vintage pistol. It's called a sharp fire, a Nerf sharp fire vintage pistol. Sharp fire vintage pistol. All right, now let's see how good it shoots. So here we go. Still shoots. Take it out and let me reload. So I have it loaded, and there we go. There's that Nerf hack, and we're gonna probably come up with a few more in the past couple days. So stay tuned for that in the next couple videos. So let's see if I can find any more Nerf guns that I can do hacks with. So this next Nerf hack is real easy. You know, whenever you have a long rifle of a Nerf, and I mean you've just attached about almost everything to make it have a lot more pain. Trust me, I've been there. I'm actually detaching this right now because of it. Alright, so anyway, if you ever have a long rifle like this, just to let you know, you put it on, you twist it back on. You know, it's hard to carry a thing around and just aim. So you might want to mount it on something or somebody. Like, say mount it on your friend's shoulder whenever he has a pistol. Like, you can fight from like side to side. He has a pistol right here. I'm the friend, and you're mounting it right there. I mean, that is a good life hack. Or you could just mount it on right here and just scan the area. Those are 2 good Nerf gun hacks. So, I mean, guys, so anyway, and that wave of announcement credits are gonna come out in 3, 2, 1. You thought. So I found another Nerf hack just so you know. And yeah, it's this. So you have a little bitty Nerf gun that you can't afford that much, like a $20 Nerf gun. Well, I have the hack for you. Now this, you may think to get a better grip, but it actually holds ammo on there.